severe thunderstorm watch number 492, effective until midnight Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Lancaster, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. In-State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Adams County in South Central Pennsylvania, Northwestern York County in South Central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Cumberland County in South Central Pennsylvania, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Aspers, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Aspers around 9 p.m. Hampton around 9:10 p.m. Dillsburg and Lakemead around 9:20 p.m. Mechanicsburg and Sedensburg around 9:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Arendsville, Franklintown, York Springs, Gardners, Wellsville, Heidlersburg, Beaglerville, Idaville, Bendersville, and Hunterstown. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 232 to 237. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, and York.